Good morning, guys. Good morning, grade 5. How are you all doing? Myself, I'm good. So today we will be playing Kahoot. You have been asking this game for a long time now. So yes, I got it now. So today we are playing Kahoot, but in a form of revision, okay, about the hunters, gatherers, and headers, okay. So please, guys, do enjoy, get ready, get your devices so that we can play, okay. We'll be doing term 1 revision, of course, and then for our test. So our focus will be based on the hunters, gatherers, and headers, okay. So you will need 2 devices, or you can split your screen on your phone or laptop, okay. You can split your screen on your phone or laptop in order to play. I believe you guys are familiar with this thing. And then for questions, you can use the group chat, okay? The group chat for questions. So you see, your first device must look like this. It must be the Zoom class, okay? So your first device must be the Zoom class, and then your second device must be the web browser, okay? So just write Kahoot IT, and then you log in. I'm gonna give you the pin not so long, okay? So this is how your first device will look like, and then your second device will look like, okay? Okay, and then you take the pin and then you log in. This is not the pin, I'm still showing you guys. And then in answering questions, you are going to use your second device, okay? For questions, you are going to use the first device, okay? Fantastic. So you can go to Chrome. Let me share a new screen. Okay, Bulelwa.
Morning, ma'am. So, ma'am, we must go to Google and write Kahoot IT.
Yes.
And then press on the link and it will take us.
Yes, yes. Take you where they say pin.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Nice. Okay, there we go. There is the pin. Sakura?
Ma'am?
Yes?
Ma'am, I'm just gonna ask you to answer a question, ma'am. On the group chat, ma'am, they later asked the question, ma'am. I want to answer it there. I didn't know how to explain it on the chats.
You want to ask a question?
No, ma'am. Never mind. It's fine, ma'am.
You're okay now?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, cool. Okay, I can see Liseli. Malik is on. Now we must be 12. We must be 12. I see Shengi. Malikiu. Like you?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, you don't spell my name Malaki. It's Malik.
Oh, Malik. Okay, excuse.
Yes, ma'am. It's okay, ma'am.
Sharp.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am, you said you're gonna surprise us today with a
So,
Kahoot game, ma'am.
yeah. So I'm having the Kahoot game today.
Did you learn it, ma'am?
Yes, I did. I did.
When did you learn it, ma'am? Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
I hope I'm gonna get it right.
It's not that difficult, ma'am. You just need to read out the answers and then you see who got the first question right.
Okay. So I've got 5 players now, and you guys must be 12.
Ma'am, I'm going back to see if I'm in, ma'am.
You went out.
Sorry, ma'am. I'm just going to start this again.
Okay.
Kahoot. Okay. Yeah. Ma'am, I'm in. I just need to write the game button.
Okay, sharp.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bulelo.
Ma'am, so there's a button that says play Kahoot, enter game pin here. Must I press that one?
Yes, do that. Enter this pin that you're seeing on the screen, 142179.
142179. Nickname. Thank
You win.
you. Yes, ma'am, I am. Yes, ma'am, I'm in.
You're in?
Yes, ma'am, I can see my name on your screen and it says I'm in here.
Okay, cool.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, we've got 9 players out of 11. Log in, guys. Lele too. My name is Lele. Okay. Okay, I see Lele. Tafika. Tafika, just go to www.kahoot.it. Okay. And then you log in. And then log in. 9 players. We have 9 players. Okay, Tafika is in. Who left? Two players left. Sakura.
Ma'am, there's only one player left that still has to join, ma'am. Not two, ma'am. Because it's you and the host and then 11 children, ma'am.
Oh, it's one Lena left. Who's that?
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am.
Okay. Let's find out. Let me check. Thank you. Bulelo.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Ma'am, so on my screen shows you are in. See your nickname on screen. What do they mean?
What is it written?
Ma'am, it says you're in. See nickname on screen. That's the only thing that's showing.
It's the only thing that's showing you. You can't see this screen now.
No, ma'am.
Okay, let's ask from others. I don't know what's up. Malik.
Ma'am, if you in show your nickname on screen, it means you are in. But when you start the game and then when you say start and then it will also show you need to answer the game. This question that shows. It's just for now, like it says you're in and then show your nickname on screen. Yes, ma'am, if you in.
Now.
Yes, ma'am, you are in, but until you say start and then you're gonna see it like the questions.
Okay, Bulela, did you get that? Cool, thank you, Malik. You'll be the one leading us here today, okay? So you should be standby. Sakura.
Ma'am, Malik's actually a bit wrong, ma'am. They say enter your name, ma'am. Enter your nickname, ma'am. That means she must enter her name, ma'am. And then you'll be in properly. Then your name will be on the task board, ma'am.
Come again?
Ma'am, I'm saying when they say enter your nickname, ma'am, she must enter her real name so that she can join the game. She's not really in yet, ma'am. She still has to name herself and then she'll join the game.
Okay, they say you must enter your real name, okay? Bulela, enter your name so you can join. Malik.
Ma'am,
Yeah?
when I was playing that game of Kahoot with the African teacher, it showed the same thing and it was right.
Oh,
But come and show you something, ma'am. It says, and you're in, see your nickname on screen. Yes, you can press it, ma'am.
okay, cool. By at 1:15, we'll be starting the game, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Okay, Ayanda, Luyanda, you can see you're in. Luyanda,
Ma'am, I'm saying I already entered my name in. Yes, ma'am.
I can see you, yes. Sharp.
Oh, okay, ma'am. So now, ma'am, I must just wait
Yeah, wait for me to start. I'm waiting
for
for
the game to start.
Yeah, we are going to start at 1:15.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Sure. Yes, Safik.
Ma'am, I wanted to test if my microphone works because
Okay, okay. Who's not yet in? You can write on the group chat so we can wait for you. Who's not yet in? Okay, yes. Let me play the music a little bit. Who's not yet in? I'm going to start the game now. You can write on the group chat for us to wait for you to log in. Who's not yet in? Okay, we are starting. One child. Who's that? Sakura, who's that one child who's not in? Bullet. Leanne.
Ma'am, I think that one child is Gutano.
Who?
Botswana, I think, ma'am. I'm not sure.
Let me see. Karina is not here.
Because
And
not she.
okay. Kutlwano is not here as well. Yes. Yeah, 2 learners are not on. Okay, guys, let's move. They are not saying anything. Let's just start now. Are you all ready? Okay, let me play the music. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys. The San people have lived in Southern Africa for 1,000 years ago. Okay, 1,000 years ago. This is our answer. Okay, it's gonna come during the test. You should know this. Okay, 1,000 years ago. This is the correct answer. Okay, so let's move to the second question. Okay. Nice. Okay, guys, our answer is false. Come again. They were not the first people to live in South Africa. Okay, so the the herders were the first people to live in Southern Africa. Okay, let's move to our second question. Okay, the San were called hunters-gatherers because they hunted for meat and gathered plants to eat. Yes, that is correct. This is the correct answer. Thank you, guys. Nice one, nice one. They said you are leading. Malik, you are number 2. Okay. Okay. Herders or pastoralists moved down through Africa to the same area where the hunters-gatherers were. It is true. Yes, the answer is correct. It is true. Okay, moving on. The San people were knowledgeable about plants, yes, and they were skilled at finding food in the natural environment. Yes, that is true. The said you're on fire. The San did not depend on the natural environment for their food, shelter, and clothing. No, that's not correct. Okay, it is false. The San people depended on the natural environment for their food, shelter, and clothing. Risedi, Athan, and Taffy, thank you. The San were nomads who moved with the season to make sure they could always find food and water. Yes, that's true. That's correct. So they were nomads. They did not stay in one place. Okay, they moved with season. Okay, in order to find food and water. Okay, nice one. Okay, Lucedi, I see you are still leading. Ethan, you are still number 2. And then Taffy, you are number 2, 3. Leanda, 3, 4, 4, 4. Okay, come on, guys. Okay, when it comes to getting food, some men and women had different roles. Okay, so all the answers that were on your screen were correct. Okay, men were responsible for hunting. Yes, that's true. Women picked berries and fruits for bushes and plants, from bushes and plants. That's correct. Women gathered honey, eggs, roots, bulbs, berries, and edible plants. Okay, so all these answers are correct. Okay, these were their different roles. Okay, the Seri, you're on fire. And then you are also on fire. And then Tafi, you are also on fire, fire. Luanda and Lele. Yes, the San people believed in not taking more than what they need. Okay, when it comes to food, the food that they gathered, they were taking things that they needed at that time. Okay, enough for that day. All right, so they did not take more than they need. Lisedi, Ethan, Taffy, Leander, King Tando. The Sun believed that humans are more important than animals. The answer is false. Okay. They believe that also animals are equally important as humans. Okay. Lisedi, you are number 1. Ethan, you are also number 2. Taffy, you are number 3. Leander, King Tando, you are number 4. Fantastic. The elephant is not the sun's most spiritual animal. Yes. Lisedi, Ethan, Tafi, you are the top three. King Tando and Sakura, you are the top. Yes, true. The San people did a special trance dance that linked them to their spiritual world. Okay. Lisedi, Ethan, King Tando, my top three. And then the top four is Tafi, top five, Sakura. Choose the three resources that the sun and the Khoikhoi competed for. They competed for wild animals, they competed for land, they also competed for water. So all the answers are correct. Last one. Okay, the social organization of the sun is that they lived in small close groups or clans, and then members depended on each other and the natural environment to survive. They worked together to help the group find food and water and to be safe. So all the answers are correct. Okay, I think. Okay, here are our champs. We have Liseri at the top. We have Ethan, number 2. And we have Sakura, number 3. Okay. Okay, let's get back to our lesson. Where were we? Okay, guys, how was the game? How was the game? Okay, Lela. Bulelo.
Ma'am, the game was nice. I was fourth, but then I went. Ma'am, can you
Yes.
hear me? Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm saying the game was nice. Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you.
So, ma'am, I'm saying the game was nice. I was fourth, but then I went to sixth.
You were what?
I'm
Leander.
saying the game was nice. I was
Okay.
fourth, and then I went to sixth.
Oh, you went to 6. You were 4. I'm sorry, Ne. Next time, next
Yeah,
week,
yes.
number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we'll play again.
Yes, ma'am.
Malik.
Man, I like the game because you need to study for this game. You need to study for everything you do. And ma'am, I was for second, and then I was 10 and 11 and 12. But the game was nice.
I didn't hear you. I can't hear you properly.
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Mm.
I said I like the game because you need to study more so that you can pass the game. And I liked it because even though I was first, second, and then I was second first, and then I was 12 and 11 and 10.
Okay.
But I
School,
liked the game, ma'am.
which means next week, Friday, you need to study for it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you should study the things we'll be doing during the week. And then you'll be able to answer the questions. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, we have Sakura.
Ma'am, I just want to say, ma'am, that this game was very fun, ma'am. I learned a lot. Like how long did the same people live in South Africa?
Yes.
What did they depend on, and
Yes.
etc., ma'am. So then, and also that I was third, ma'am. The last game we played was our Afrikaans teacher. I was second, ma'am.
Okay, that's dope. Okay, thank you very much for participating. We will do it again. Okay, Tafiga.
Ma'am, what I learned is that it's very fun. It challenges our brain and the speed. You go under pressure, but it's still fun, and it was very fun.
Yes, it was fun. I saw. I was also playing it, you know.
How come you didn't win, ma'am?
Eh?
How come you didn't win?
In my mind. I didn't.
Okay,
I was playing it in my mind. Okay, because I. Thank you, Tafika.
you're welcome.
Sleng Sleng.
Then the game was nice because of it teach us things that we don't know.
Yes. Okay. Sleng Sleng Sleng. Okay, where is the Sadie?
Ma'am, I learned about how the sand lived
Yes.
and what they did. Like, what I mean, how long ago they lived.
Yes. Did you enjoy?
Sorry?
Did you enjoy?
Yes, ma'am, I enjoyed the game very much.
Okay, thank you very much, Sadie. Okay, anybody? Raise your hands. Raise your hand. Leander.
Ma'am, so when is the next time you're going to play Kahoot?
Friday, every Friday. From now on, every Friday we are playing Kahoot. It is confirmed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so every Friday.
Ma'am, what number did you come?
What number?
Did you come, ma'am?
I can hear you.
Ma'am, I'm saying what number did you come?
I wasn't playing. I wasn't playing.
Oh, you were saying you were playing in your mind.
Yes, I was playing in my mind because I was going to get all the answers. I was
Oh, yes, ma'am.
yes. But next time I'm going to join you guys and beat you all. Okay.
Ma'am.
I won't join, I
Yes,
promise.
ma'am.
Sharp, ne? Faith.
Ma'am,
Yes.
when we play Kahoot, can you ask us more questions?
Or there should be more questions.
Yes.
Like how many questions?
At least 20 or 25.
20 or 25. Cool. I'm going to work on it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Promise. Malik?
Ma'am, what did you learn about it? Ma'am, can you please give us 30?
Give you what?
30 words.
31 question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, cool. You're going to get 31. As long as you guys going to join the game early and then we'll have enough time, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am.
Dando?
I enjoyed the game.
You enjoyed the game, Mr. King?
Yes, then I arrived late. No, it's not like I arrived late. My network connection was giving me problems.
So you were able to join late?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, cool. No problem. Nice one. Okay, Sharp, thank you very much. Okay, guys, you should enjoy your weekend, ne? You should enjoy your weekend. Yes, I can see you, Malik. Mwah. Bye. Bye, everyone.